Okay, I've already disassembled this computer, but I wanted to go through this because it looks a little interesting. I don't have a date on it. Let's see if I got a date here. This is a 10-speed optical drive, compact disc drive. I'm not seeing any dates on this. Class 1 laser, no date. 9404. I don't know if that's a date reference or not on this 3.5-inch floppy. Made Malaysia. Frame is made in Taiwan. But again, nothing that really is jumping off as a date on it. This is the motherboard. We've got the two memory slots here, it looks like. See if I can get these out. I'm not seeing really how to get that out. So we can see that they're pinned chips. It releases that way. There we go. Now there's our memory. One thing I'm seeing on it is the tinning on, or the fingers on these are actually silver, not gold plated. These are PNYs, 4x32. I think it says 16 megabyte upgrade. So if that's 16 megabytes, this is going to be a very old computer, because that would be, you know, back in the late 80s, I want to say, early 90s. Got a couple slotted chips here. 1984, 1998 is the copyright on this award software chip. I have to take a look at that and see if there's any value in these chips. And you know, from the looks of it, none of this is gold plated. I don't see any gold plating on any of this stuff. Well, maybe these jumpers are, but none of this looks gold plated. None of this looks gold plated. Even down in here, these don't look gold plated. This slot, processor slot, does look gold plated. Back side of the board has nothing on it. Front side, I mean, there's a good number of chips in here. A couple flat packs, more slotted chips over here. So I'll have to look and see what those are. E-tron Tech. And I can't really make out what the rest of it is. The processor has a flat pack chip on it with a heat sink, a tantalum capacitor up top, and gold pins, but not a whole heck of a lot of them. Made in USA. Copyright 19... cannot make it out with these glasses. 1994 or 96. One or the other. And I think it's a 4. A few more little tantalum capacitors in there. Again, I will have to see if I can identify what this chip is, what this processor is. It may hold a little bit of value for vintage Evergreen Technologies Inc. is what I'm reading there. So I'll take a look at it. Both of those may have some value, and I'm not going to hurt this motherboard at this point either. It all may have value. In terms of daughter boards, these over here, even though they don't look gold plated, the fingers on these are gold plated. We've got what looks like a VGA card here. Some decent gold fingers on that with a couple flat packs and other chips. We've got another MIDI game. So this is the input for like a joystick or something like that, if I'm remembering correctly. This has also got the line in, mic, line out, and speaker. So sound card. This is AZ Tech. And of course we do have gold fingers on here as well. And so flat packs, chips, a couple MOSFETs, etc. The case for this was not in pretty shape, so I took everything out. More fingers on this, more flat packs, crystal oscillator, more gold fingers on the back. This is some kind of a, well, I'm not sure what this is. This looks like probably, well, it's peripherals of some kind. Maybe printers. And there's a male pin, a female pin, a female pin, and a male pin again. I am not sure what those are, but they are tethered together like that. And the last one here, that looks a little more modern. Again, I'm not sure what it is. We got a crystal here, a pin, or a slotted chip here, flat pack, a couple more chips, gold fingers again. Looks like these are gold plated as well for this upper piece. Made in Singapore. We've actually got some BIOS numbers, host adapter, blah 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 blah. We got a what appears to be a serial number or something of that nature here, so I might be able to pull it up and see what this is. Interesting, but yeah, I'm gonna, because of the apparent age of this one, I am not gonna do any damage to it until I understand exactly what I've got here. I mean, this processor by itself, if it's in good shape, it may be worth a good bit of money. Have a good one.